Tonight, a former St. Louis Sheriff's deputy sworn to uphold the law is now facing felony charges, accused of having sexual contact with an incarcerated woman inside the City Justice Center. Thanks for joining us at 6 o'clock. I'm Randy Knott, in for Mike Bush.
I'm Ann Allred. James Short is charged with 2 felony counts of sexual conduct in the course of public duty. 5 on your side's Megan Kernan is live outside the jail with what she's learned about this former deputy. Megan.
Ann and Rennie, prosecutors say James Short was working here inside the CJC where the alleged sexual assault happened, where detainees are supposed to be protected and secure. Today, he turned himself in to St. Louis police. St. Louis Sheriff Alfred Montgomery said 26-year-old James Short is no longer with the department. According to court documents, the alleged assault happened on January 8th inside the CJC. The former deputy is accused of forcing the inmate to perform sexual acts. A source confirms this latest case is the same investigation that led to a major clash between Sheriff Montgomery and interim jail commissioner Tammy Ross when the sheriff wanted to interview the inmate. Jail staff allegedly blocked his access to the victim, and it ended with Ross being briefly handcuffed. Reverend Darrell Gray, the chair of the CJC's Detention Facility Oversight Board, told us he requested the board staff to investigate before these charges were filed. Now that the charges have been filed, he says they are not allowed to interfere. St. Louis Circuit Attorney Gabe Gore sent us a statement on the case saying, quote, "The defendant in this matter is alleged to have engaged in conduct that would constitute an abuse of authority and a violation of the public's trust." The alleged sexual assault is not Short's only pending case. In March 2024, he was charged with endangering the welfare of a child after his 2-year-old family member accidentally shot himself with Short's service weapon inside a Ferguson home. Short's attorney, TJ Mathis, who represented him in the child endangerment case, says he'll plead not guilty. He added there are some serious credibility issues regarding these allegations, and he said we look forward to challenging them in court. Short will be released without bail and will appear in court at a later date. Live outside of the City Justice Center, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.